Hey there, marketers. Today I'm diving into how you can use Google Analytics to supercharge your marketing campaigns. Let's get right into it with a step-by-step guide. First things first, set up your Google Analytics account. If you don't have one, head over to analytics.google.com and sign up. It's super straightforward. Just follow the prompts to link your website. Once you're in, the real fun begins. Step 1. Setting up goals. Goals are crucial because they help you track what's important to your business. Go to the admin panel under the View column, click on Goals, and then New Goal. Choose a template that fits your business objective, like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Fill in the details and save it. Now on to step 2, setting up UTM parameters for your campaigns. These are little bits of text you can add to a URL that tracks the performance of your campaigns. Head over to Google's Campaign URL Builder. Fill in your campaign details and it'll generate a URL for you. Use this URL in your marketing campaigns. Next is step 3, analyzing the data. Head back to Google Analytics and go to the acquisition section. Here you can see how people are finding your site, whether it's through social media, email, or organic search. Drill down into each channel to see detailed performance metrics. Step 4, the behavior section. This is where you learn what visitors are doing on your site. Check out the site content subsection to see which pages are the most popular. Look for trends and patterns. Maybe a particular blog post is driving a lot of traffic, or a landing page has a high bounce rate. Use this information to tweak and improve your content. Finally, step 5, conversion tracking. Go to the conversion section to see how well your goals are performing. This is where you see if visitors are completing the actions you set up earlier, like purchases or sign-ups. If a goal isn't performing well, dive into the data to figure out why. Maybe your call to action isn't clear or the page loads too slowly, and there you have it. 5 steps to using Google Analytics to boost your marketing campaigns. Remember, the key is to continuously monitor and optimize based on the data. Marketing is all about testing and refining, so don't be afraid to experiment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more marketing tips and tricks. See you in the next one.